Hey everyone, it's Racer's Garage here, and we're working on this wheel swap that I told you guys about in my live stream. Here are the wheels off of, oh, come on now, there we go. And I was going to put them on the Audi, but changed my mind. I think we're going to put them on the 300ZX, so let's crack that open. Ooh. Alrighty. Alrighty. Be right back when we got them on. Alrighty, we are back. We have the wheels off of the base of the 300Z. We're gonna go ahead and put the new wheels on here. There's one. Sorry, the lighting is really bad. And there's number 2. That's gonna look pretty darn cool. That one is not in. But yeah, you know, you get the point. And there you have it, guys. Them rims look sick. This is probably my favorite. Instead of the GTR. Dang, dude, that's really cool. If you guys are looking to do a wheel swap, I would suggest those rims. They're on the 787B on the rears. Or you can, if you find this van, I'm sure then there's other ones. This is the van I used. It's a superhero van. We're gonna go ahead and throw these wheels back on the van. So here we go. And boom. There you have it. Van. We're with the 300Z wheels on there. Here's your screw. And the beauty of them. Look at that thing. Thing is sick. If you guys are looking to do a wheel swap, I definitely recommend these wheels on the 300Z. And one more thing before I go. Right there. Found these today. Went out and we did some searching. Found the Shelby Cobra. All I need is a Corvette Copo, or Copo Corvette yet. So I picked that up. Along with my first open track car. Number 5, the Audi R8. Right there. That's the one I really want, the GTR. I've seen every one of them. I haven't seen them every one. The only one I haven't seen is the GTR. And I only picked up the R8 because I'm trying to stay clear of premiums, but when they look at you, it's like, you know, you gotta get them. And then we have super fast. That would be your S2000 or S2K of the 50th anniversary for Matchbox. Very first one of them. Two more Matchbox. Corvette Mustang. Convertible Mustang. Jeez. Oh, there it went. And then your Dodge Charger. That one's pretty neat. And then this set I haven't seen. It was in the Walmart that I was at today, but I don't know, I think it's a Camaro set. This is your 1995 Camaro convertible. There's all the cars in the back. This one's pretty cool, that custom 2011 Camaro. I haven't seen, only one I've seen is this one. So I had to get it, you know, I don't have it. 3 more main lines, Bone Shaker. I have this one, but not carded. Maverick. Recolor of the Volkswagen Golf GTI. And the last 3, CRX, a Honda Turbo, and a Rip Rod. So yeah. There's your wheel swap for the day. They're both screwed in. I really like those wheels. It just kind of sucks that you got to spend $5 on a car you don't really care about just for the wheels, but looks pretty sweet. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.